Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crypto Odyssey. In this channel, I want to teach you guys about cryptocurrencies and personal finance. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for upcoming videos. And just hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. As for the first video of the channel, we are going to talk about cryptocurrencies for beginners. If you are new to the world of crypto, then this is the video for you. We will cover the basics of what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, the different types, the benefits, the risks which a lot of people don't really talk about, and how to buy and store them safely. We will also talk about the future of crypto and provide resources for those who want to learn more. So guys, grab your favorite snack and let's get this started. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, which means that it's not controlled by a central authority like a bank or government. Cryptocurrencies are transferred from person to person using blockchain technology, which is a secure and transparent ledger that records all the transactions. Cryptocurrencies differ from traditional forms of currency in several ways. First, like I said, they are decentralized, which means that they are not controlled by a central bank authority. Second, they use cryptocurrency for security, making them more secure than traditional forms of currency. Third, they are transferred directly from person to person without the need for intermediaries, like the banks. The very first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an unknown person called Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, there are concept of crypto has evolved, and there are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies available in the market. 22,718 cryptocurrencies to be exact. I know, which is a lot. Like I said, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies available in the market right now, with their own unique features. Bitcoin is most well-known and widely used in cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency that allows for the creation of decentralized applications. Ripple is a cryptocurrency that designs to facilitate fast and secure global transactions. So guys, now we're going to talk about the benefits of using cryptocurrencies. There are several advantages of using cryptocurrencies. Like I said in the beginning of the video, they are decentralized. This makes them more secure and transparent than traditional forms of currency. Second, they are fast and cheap to use, especially for international transactions. Third, they are highly divisible, meaning that you can buy a small fraction of a cryptocurrency. While there are benefits of using crypto, there are also risks to be aware of. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, meaning that their value can be fluctuated rapidly. There are also vulnerable hacking and scams, so it's important to be careful when buying and storing cryptocurrencies. Buying and storing cryptocurrencies is relatively easy, but it's important to do your own research and choosing a reputable exchange or wallet. We will be educating you guys on that in the near future, so stay in touch. You can buy cryptocurrencies on an exchange which is like a stock market for crypto. You can also store crypto in a wallet, which is a secure digital wallet that stores your cryptocurrencies. So guys, now let's talk about the future of crypto. The future of cryptocurrencies is very uncertain, but many experts believe that they will continue to grow in popularity and acceptance. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today. And if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more valuable videos like this. And if you do have any feedbacks about this video, please make sure to drop it down in the comment sections. See you in the next video. Bye bye.